Did you know that you can send emails to people to their phone number? And it's actually much easier than it sounds, and it's a great way if people, for example, don't check their inbox too often. We all know a person like that. So here's exactly how you can do it. Okay, so here I am writing my email. So let's just go, hello, goodbye. There we go, short, sweet, and to the point. Now, how do you actually send that to a phone number? Okay, so first you need to actually enter the person's phone number. Okay, so let's just say this is the number of the person we're sending this email to. What's next? Well, now you need what's known as a gateway domain, which depends on what kind of service provider your friend uses. Here's all the most popular ones in the US, and you can very easily find these for other providers in other countries as well on the internet. Okay, so let's say they're using T-Mobile, so then we need to just add tmo mail.net, as that is the gateway domain for T-Mobile, and then we can just press send, and as long as you have the right phone number and the right provider, then the message should be sent. It is that simple. Well, okay, you still need to know who the SAR provider is for the recipient, but still you get my point. But anyway, that's about it. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.